Hi, so to be honest, I wasn't going to do anything on this again, but this has been really exciting. It's actually been running for just over 30 minutes, so just half an hour. It's still limping along, incidentally. It's nearly finished, but that's half an hour of running that stupid motor from, I measured this, 68 square centimetres of moss. So we can use our 68 square centimetres of moss here to charge up a cap and then use that cap to run that for half an hour. That's just awesome when you think how small that is. And if you think about a solar panel, the solar panel is around about 150, 200 watts per square metre. So the equivalent's going to be about 1.28 milliwatts. If this was a solar panel, that would produce about 1.28 milliwatts. It's not very much. This is producing much less than that, okay? But it's still pretty awesome for the size of it and the amount of energy it's actually producing. And you see that's still limping along. Yes, you can just make that out that it is in fact turning. I just thought that was cool. Now there's a couple of things I also wanted to mention as I was thinking about this. I obviously haven't told you exactly what this material is, nor have I told you what the additive into the fertilizer is. And that's quite simple. I really want you to come to the live event. I want you to attend the live event, be there, and I'm going to go through exactly what all these things are. The reason for that is there's been a lot of complaints about this, particularly with one company. They're saying scam, scam, scam. And to be honest, I think that particular company is a scam, but it's colouring everything else. Obviously this technology is of great interest and it does give pretty good results. So if we can get a couple of hundred people attending the live event and walking through this really simple piece of experimentation, what we can do is get a validation that this technology actually works. There's actually something really useful in here and well worth exploring. So I'd like people to attend it, the live workshop. I'd like us to build this together because it's almost a guaranteed success. I have been thinking about this and I can't see how you would fail to be able to make this. So you'll be able to make this and get it to do exactly what's happening here. And that will be a wonderful validation for this experiment and for this technology, and that this technology actually works. I mean, it'd be a great as a science fair kit as well. So, you know, if kids are doing science projects, awesome science project. So, as I say, I really want you to attend the live workshop, which is why I'm not revealing those two bits of information, but I will be revealing those essential bits of information in the live workshop. So I really do want people to attend, and I'd like this technology to have some sense of validation out there, that there's a lot of people who have done it and shown that it works, rather than a few armchair pundits who say no, it can't possibly, even though they've never done it themselves. So that's why, if you like. And as I say, it's just coming to the end of its life now. It's just beginning to wind down. It's almost finished, and it has been running for 40 minutes. That is just awesome. I mean, we did charge it for 2 days, but it has been running that motor, that induction motor, for 40 minutes. I just thought that was amazing. I've actually just been stood here watching it between this video and the last video because it's just astounded me. So I hope you found it of interest. I do hope to see you at the live workshop. The kits are on the shop for sale now, and thank you very much for watching.